Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? What's good? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I will be giving you what I considered a minimal summer makeup look. Ever since I did minimal makeup May, like my skin's been looking pretty clear and glowy and everything. So I kind of want to stem off of that and continue this whole minimal makeup journey because I love it. So I will be giving you what I considered a summer makeup look that is fresh and everything, and you don't got to worry about light sweating off your makeup because you don't have too much makeup on. So if you're here for this video, make sure you keep on watching. So I'm starting off with a clear base using an A2O UHD primer spray, and what I really like about this spray is that it is enhanced with aloe vera, making it long lasting, and it is also paraben free. So I let that set in, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to start on my brows first. So I'm going in with the AOA Studios Wonder Brow Mascara in the color dark brown. And I like using this brow mascara because it really achieves a really great natural brow. And you guys know I love a natural bushy brow. And my natural brows are naturally bushy, so I like to go in with this with 2 coats to not just fill in the gaps but also to enhance my own natural brows, making them even more fuller. And as you can see right here, they are naturally bushy, and I love the way this made my brows look. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the color 30 Honey. And this is my first time using this concealer, and I have no complaints. It's rich and creamy, and it gets the job done. It covers up my dark circles up under my eyes because you guys know I am a mom. And not just that, but it highlights the areas that need to be highlighted. And guys, did you just see I did not use any foundation in this video? None whatsoever, because I am achieving a natural no makeup summer look. Yes, I am continuing my minimal makeup May challenge because this is just going great for me. So yes, now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the color Caramel Toffee, and I'm going in with the powder concealer. And what I do with the powder concealer is I use it to set my concealer in place, but I also like to I like to set my concealer in place by kind of semi-baking, but I never leave it on for too long. So I'm going to set my concealer in place, the tongue tied, and now I'm going in with the contouring. I'm going in with the contouring color, and as you guys can see, I am contouring my face using a beauty blender, because I decided I'm going to challenge myself by using a beauty blender in this entire video. So as you can see, it's not like using a makeup brush, but I'm getting the job done. It looks really good. It looks really good. I can't complain. It looks really good. All right. Now I'm just buffing it in, making sure it looks good. So now I am going in with the Seraphine Botanicals Luminude Skin Illuminator, which is basically a liquid highlighter in a sense. And what I love about this, it is 74% water based. And you guys know I love using stuff that has the first ingredient being water. So I am highlighting the parts that needs to be highlighted. My cheekbone area, the middle of my forehead, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And I don't know why I like to highlight my chin too, but I also highlight my chin. But this liquid highlighter is going to give you a natural glow, and that's why I really love using this skin illuminator over a regular highlighter. So now I'm going in with the Model Co blush and the shade Peach Bellini. You guys know this is a staple of mine. I love this blush. I don't use any other shade whatsoever. And I am going in with a finger, and I am going to bring color to my face, if that makes sense. And I'm also going to dip my beauty blender in and finish the job. And I'm going in with my setting spray, which is also A2O UHD Pro Setting Spray. This is a ultra high definition setting spray. It's going to give you a matte finish, and it's long lasting. Now I'm going on to do my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Great Lash mascara in the color Very Black. And actually, I'm glad this mascara has made a comeback, because this is all I used to use in high school, except your girl used to use a blue mascara. So do you guys see the difference between the left eye, which has mascara, and the right eye that don't have mascara? It's giving your girl natural lashes, and I love that natural lash look. I really do. And it makes my my lashes full, but also really moisturizes my lashes. Now here's a little hack here. If you got mascara on your lid, what you want to do is get a little bit of cream concealer and use your beauty blender to buff it off. And yep, tiny tip for you guys to use. So now I am going in with my favorite part, the AOA Studios Wonder Matte Liquid Lipsticks in two shades, the pink and the shade Blessed, and the nude in the shade Vibing. These are my favorite two shades to use during the summer. I never steer away from these shades. So I am going in with Blessed, and I am going to line my lips and fill them in with the shade. And then I am going in with the nude shade Vibing, and I am going to apply this in the middle of my lips, and I am going to blend that out using my finger. And as you can see, it is very pretty. And I'm going in with the setting spray again to set everything in place. But I'm not done here. The very last item I am using is the NK Makeup Lip Gel with Vitamin E in the clear. And it's the summertime. Lip gloss is in season. Lip gel is in season. And since the lipsticks are naturally matte, I'm going in to just juicify my lips, if that makes sense. And I'm going to apply that with my finger. And this is the finished look. You guys know I really don't like caked up makeup that much, so this is natural for your girl for the summer. And this is it. I thank you guys for tuning into this video. Comment down below if you would also do this makeup look and achieve something of like a natural summer makeup vibe. So yeah, I thank you guys for tuning in and rocking with your girl throughout this video, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Peace.